What if I told you there's a Lamborghini that combines everyday usability with supercar thrills? A car that not only roars on the racetrack but can also be driven through city streets with surprising comfort. Meet the Lamborghini Huracán, the baby Lambo that proved it's no baby at all. Stay with me because this V10 machine has secrets that even some enthusiasts don't know. The Huracán made its debut in 2014, replacing the famous Gallardo, and since then it has become one of Lamborghini's best-selling models ever. At its heart lies a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, producing anywhere from 570 to 640 horsepower depending on the version. Unlike the Aventador's V12, the Huracán's V10 is slightly smaller, but it revs high, screams like a race car, and gives you that pure, raw Lamborghini sound that no turbo can replicate. One fascinating fact is that the Huracán was the first Lamborghini to fully integrate modern driving technology, thanks to Lamborghini's parent company, Audi. That means all-wheel drive systems, dual-clutch transmissions, and better electronics, which not only make it faster but also more reliable. Enthusiasts sometimes joke that it's the Lamborghini you can actually drive every day without worrying about breaking down. Design-wise, the Huracán keeps Lamborghini's iconic DNA, sharp angles, aggressive stance, and those signature Y-shaped headlights. It's smaller and more compact than the Aventador, making it easier to drive in tight spaces. And of course, the name Huracán isn't random. It's named after a famous fighting bull, just like every Lamborghini, symbolizing speed and strength. Inside, the Huracán feels like a fighter jet cockpit. The switches, digital displays, and that signature red flip cover over the start button give you the feeling of preparing for takeoff. But compared to other Lamborghinis, the Huracán offers better visibility and comfort, which is why many owners say it's the most practical Lamborghini ever built. Performance? The Huracán can sprint from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed over 200 miles per hour. But here's something many people don't know. The Huracán has spawned multiple versions, like the Performante, the Evo, and even a rear-wheel drive version for pure driving purists. Each one offers a slightly different personality, but all share that incredible V10 soundtrack. Another interesting fact is that the Huracán has also become a hero off the racetrack. In Italy, the police actually use a Huracán as a patrol car for high-speed chases and even for transporting medical organs quickly across the country. It's not just a showpiece, it's a working supercar. With a starting price of around $200,000, the Huracán is more affordable than the Aventador or Revuelto, but it's still every bit a Lamborghini. And with production nearing its end to make way for a new hybrid successor, the Huracán is destined to become a modern classic. So what makes the Lamborghini Huracán so special? It's the perfect balance of Lamborghini madness and everyday usability. A car that thrills on the track but won't punish you in the city. A car that screams with its naturally aspirated V10, but also became the best-selling Lamborghini in history. The Huracán isn't just the baby Lambo. It's proof that sometimes the smallest bull in the herd can still charge the hardest.